Yo, what is good, my people? How you doing today? I want to get on here and I want to share the story my brother shared with me. My brother is always sharing some inspirational stories with me, and man, it was good. A lot of the ones that he has shared with me I haven't shared. I think I've shared one of them on my YouTube, but I really want to share this one with you guys today because this one applies to each and every one of you. And some of you guys have probably heard the story. That's right, you've probably heard this same story, and this story is called Stay Sharp. All right, this story is a great story that my brother told me this morning, and it's about the lumberjacks. Right, there's two lumberjacks, man, and they split wood every day. That's what they do, they split wood. And every day one lumberjack doesn't take a break, doesn't take a lunch, he just keeps on chopping, and he gets 1,000 chops in a day and 2,000 pieces of wood a day, right? Well, the other guy gets just as much wood, but he takes a lunch every day. He takes his hour lunch every single day, but he gets just as much wood chopped. And so the guy came up to him one day, the lumberjack, and says, man, you take an hour lunch every single day, 5 days a week, and at the end of the week, you still have 5,000 chops. How do you do it? And so the lumberjack looked at him and he said, you chop all day, and you get 1,000 chops. I chop all day and take an hour lunch, I get 1,000 chops. I take an hour lunch and I sharpen my axe. Time, guys, is not everything. Staying sharp is everything. So stay sharp today, take your time, replenish yourself, sharpen your damn axe, and get back to chopping the damn wood, baby. I love you guys. I hope that's a good one.